Hello and welcome to the video. So I'd like to warn you that scissors and the hot glue gun are dangerous. The scissors are sharp and the hot glue gun will burn your skin. So I'd recommend you to ask a grown-up for help. Safety first, kids. Thank you and enjoy the video. This tutorial is made possible in part by viewers like you. Thank you. Have you ever get tired of using the same old eyes over and over? Yeah? Do you ever consider making replicas of the oobi eyes from the show? Yeah. Would you like to go on the old website and then you figure out how it was closed down forever? Oh boy, can't wait to get those fancy new oobi eyes. Just go right here and then click. Ooh, cursies! Yeah? Oh, no more. This tutorial is for you. Here's what you need. You need small eyes, hot glue gun, scissors, and a pipe cleaner. Any color you like. Anyways, I recommend you getting these eyes that you've seen in this picture right here. The product will be in the link in the description if you want to order these. Not the small, cheapish looking ones that just got scammed years ago. If you have a big hand or a small hand, you just measure it. Just get the pipe cleaner and get it to the middle finger and slide it into the pipe cleaner. And then you put the eyes and then just measure it. Size doesn't matter. Your hand is the perfect size of your oobi eye. And again, scissors and hot glue gun are dangerous. So make sure to ask a grown-up for help. Step 1. You have to put the middle finger into the pipe cleaner and make sure to just measure it. And then you get your oobi eyes and then you pick any random one you like, any color you like. Right now I'm choosing the gray ones. There we go. Now you have found the oobi eyes that you like. You just have to measure it, place it on the hand. So if you like it to make sure it fits, and then you need to cut the pipe cleaner. The scissors are sharp, so make sure to ask grown-up for help. Come on. Bobber. Oh, okay. Man, that took long enough. Then you have to curl up the pipe cleaner, just like this. There you go, you curled it up into a ball. And make sure to just measure it. Oh look, it fits. And then you do the same thing with the other one. I'm having trouble with it. And there you go. Make sure you've measured it. There you go. Okay, you need to do is just glue the insides of the oobi eye using a hot glue gun. No, the hot glue gun will burn your skin, so make sure to ask a grown-up for help. There you got the one eye in, and then you put it into the pipe cleaner. Then you do the same thing with the other one. And put it in. And then you just wait for them to dry. And once you wait for the glue to dry up, it'll look like this. It doesn't fall out. That's how hot glue gun works. And then you take your hand, put it in the middle finger. I'm not gonna flip it off on you. So you just place it into the middle finger. And there you go. You just got your very own realistic oobi eyes. Wow! I've got my own eyes now. They look cool. Everything. And now you got it. You know how to make your own realistic oobi eyes. You know how to get the stuff to make your own oobi eyes. You know how to cut the pipe cleaner. And you know how to glue the eyes on them. I might do some other oobi tutorials in the future. Well, thanks for watching. 3, 2, 1, go!